One quiet night, little Nora was fast asleep until a soft, desperate meow reached her ears. She opened her eyes, looked out the window, and saw something move in the garden shadows. Curious and concerned, she stepped outside, and there, trembling under the moonlight, was a tiny, soaked kitten. Without a word, Nora opened her arms, and the kitten leapt into them, seeking warmth, safety, love. That night, they slept side by side. In the morning, she and her mom took the kitten to the vet. He was weak, but hopeful. Back home, Nora gently bathed him, dried him with a towel, and fed him warm milk. Now, they're inseparable. From frightened meows to joyful purrs, love found its way in the heart of a child and the soul of a tiny kitten.
This is the story of Lucky, a tiny kitten who was once left all alone in a quiet garden on a moonlit night, hoping someone would hear. That someone was Nora. Guided by compassion, she followed the sound and found Lucky, trembling, fragile, and lost. With gentle hands and a warm heart, she brought him home. With love and care, Lucky began to heal. Day by day, he grew stronger, playful, and full of life. Now, Lucky is no longer the lonely kitten of that night. He's healthy, happy, and deeply loved, living safely with Nora and her family. From darkness to light, this is the journey of little Loki.